Okay, yet more on proportional editing. Before I do that, we're currently in proportional edit. Before I do that, I want to move. Want to move Shift and what's going on? 7 and Shift and move it down. Okay, so we've got these 3 points, and I want to converge them into one. So I need to get rid of the proportional editing bit. There may be other ways as ever, but this is how I'm doing it. So proportional editing is off. I'm going to pick one of these and do that. Yep, and I want to say a G and then move it over to that center one. Okay, and then click to accept that. I then want to do the same with this opposite one and G and move that across as well, and that'll do. And in case I make a mess of it, I've clicked it. In case I make a mess of it, save as, I don't know, BL3. Okay, this is not to be listed. Okay, right. So if I come on, still spinning. Thank you. Right, still spinning. So now we have the basic shape that we want. This is a flat shape. So if we go to 3. Then that shows you that it's flat. Now what I need to do now, go back to the 7, is to, we're still in edit mode, that's what we want. Select all the points that make up this this central line that I performed a loop cut with earlier. Now that's not quite right, because I only wanted it to. That's not right either. Let's try the 7 again, get it straight, and can I make it a bit bigger? Let's pan down a little bit and see if that helps us. Okay, so just grab as little as that as I can and then move it across there. Right, okay, so that's picked up all the points of the center and none of the kind of side points. So at this point, if I now go to 3, right, orthographic, turn on proportional editing, turn on smooth, and now I was doing an S for scale before. That's wrong. It's a G, and I want to move it down. There we go. And then I want to do a Z to move it up or down in the vertical plane. Well, it's kind of wrong. It's as though everything's selected, but maybe it's fine. So I'm going to do an accept. Okay. And if I move it around, yeah, little so and so, that is not right. Okay, because it should be way more. Is that even not flat? Maybe it is. It's hard to tell. But it should all be working now, I thought, but maybe I've got something wrong there. Okay, let's do a Z, and the Z, Control Z, never seems to work with the position. It's only the change of data rather than change of view that seems to get reflected. Okay, let's try that all again. So we're in global edit. Maybe I don't know how to pick it before I did anything. So that's all the center items picked again. Go to 3 again. Still in global edit, and then we want to do a G and a Z, and then not scroll them. Well, actually, maybe I do want to scroll the mouse wheel to get some focus, and it's moved it down because I've actually moved the mouse as well. Actually, that is moving now, isn't it? But what's interesting is that it isn't the thing that's highlighted that's moving, it's the outside, that blade. So you get to that blade, it's the blade that's moving, and interestingly it seems to have some point where it won't move any further. So here I'm moving the mouse wheel, and I think that should have a certain amount of depth to it now. If I hit return, take off the highlight, and there we have it. So I'm probably going to save that, but I'm still a bit weirded out the fact that it's not quite what, well, So yeah, so the centre line evidently moves down, drags everything with it. I suppose that's right, so the whole vertical line is selected, but the circle itself is confined to a narrower place. But anyway, that'll do.